Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2016 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. Everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel now. I'm not seeing anything wrong here at all. The quarter panel has no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move around to the back of the car. The spoiler looks good. I'm not seeing any scratches on it. And the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything over here looks really good. I'm not seeing any scratches on here, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door, no dents. Everything here is spotless. Now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. No scratches or dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is good. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Everything here looks perfect as well. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Alright, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Also, this car does have navigation. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The suede and stitching look perfect. Okay, so the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives. And last but not least, the engine bay.